Hello friend, welcome to Android Chess, written in Kotlin program language. So in this video, we'll talk about using until in the for loop. So we never used it. We used the dot dot to define the range. For example, 0 dot dot 7, right? To loop through 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, totally 8 iterations. Let's take a look of the example here. Yeah, here, right? For example, 0 dot dot 7. We know Kotlin programming language came out in 2011, and 3 years later, we have Apple released new program language, at that time Swift. So Swift learned a lot from Kotlin, and for me, coming from Swift, I'm used to this kind of syntax. Dot dot in Swift, right? Dot dot dot. Three dots means inclusive from 0 to 7. We have 8 iterations in total, right? So if we want to do like half open from 0 to 0 to 6, we use that, right, in Swift. So now here in Kotlin we have this for the closed range 0 to 7, but we don't have something like, do we have that? I don't think so. No, we don't have that, and we don't have this. And the syntax used in Kotlin for this one is until. Okay, until. So 0 until 7 means from 0 to 6. This is half open, right? So this one is closed end, here is open end. So let's take a look of that. So this one is not what we expect. We just do some experiment here, right, to see what happened here. So it will be 0 to 6. Let's see. Run it. Yeah, you see, some pieces are missing. So what we need is that. For beginners, for very beginners, like they preferred, yeah, based on my experience, they prefer this kind of syntax to, right, include to define a range inclusive on both ends. But later on, most of us prefer the other one, until 8. Why? Because we care more about the total number of the iterations. So the 8 reflects that, right? 8 represents the total iteration of this for loop. So we'll use this. Now let's give it a try. It will fix this problem, and we use the syntax we preferred. Yeah. Okay, so we can use that here, right? 0 until 2, right? Until 2. And anyone else? Do we have for loop? For loop here. Oh, there's no problem here because the range is provided by the collection, the map, the set of this pieces box. Okay, we have another for loop here, right? So 7 down to 0, and here, yeah, this one we can use until 8, right? Until 8. So let's check other places for our for loop. So this is chess game. Let's check this view thing. Do we have something like here? The for loop. Nope, there's no for loop. What about the view file? Yeah, there's many. So we can let's go back to here. For loop. Okay. So for the view file here, we can change this, right, to until 8. Until 8. And because if that okay, so because there's only one block inside the for loop, so we can remove this part to make it shorter. Okay. And here until 8. Until 8. Let's get rid of those two lines here, like that. Any other for loop? Do we have any other for loop? Yeah, so for this one, chess piece. So it is chess piece. If we want to put a piece here, we can do that piece, right? Like that. So now we can put the piece here. So it's named instead of just it. If that. Yeah. So is there any other for loop? Okay. So what about this one? Yeah, cool. Let's give it a try. So let's run our app. Run it. Make sure we didn't break anything. Make a move. Yes. Yes. Move. Capture. Then move again. Move again. Good. Capture. Yes, we didn't break anything. Thank you for watching. See you next time.